What if one drop of this could transform your day? From boosting your mood to making your home sparkle naturally and supporting your wellness from the inside out. It sounds like a miracle product, right? Well, stick with me because today we're unlocking the full surprising power and potential of pure lemon essential oil. You might think you know lemon oil, but there's likely more than you realize. This vibrant energy doesn't come from just anywhere. doTERRA lemon oil is cold pressed directly from the rinds of 45 lemons per bottle, sourced from the sun-drenched volcanic soil-rich orchards of Sicily, Italy. The perfect climate for potent citrus. But doTERRA's commitment goes far beyond just finding the best lemons. They partner directly with multi-generational family farms through their unique co-impact sourcing initiative. This isn't about middlemen, it's about building relationships. doTERRA ensures these skilled growers receive fair, predictable payments, helping them support their families and invest back into their land. But it goes further. Co-impact sourcing funds help develop community projects like improving local schools or water systems. It's about creating shared value. Empowering these communities leads to sustainable livelihoods and ensures we receive the highest quality CPTG certified pure tested grade essential oil possible. Knowing this story makes using every drop feel even better, doesn't it? Now let's dive into how this ethically sourced power can immediately elevate your environment and your state of mind. Feeling stressed, sluggish, or overwhelmed? The fastest way to shift the energy is through aroma, and lemon oil is a champion. Its high limonene content interacts with pathways in the brain associated with mood regulation. Think of it as sending little signals of sunshine and optimism. Diffusing 4 to 5 drops doesn't just smell clean, it actively combats feelings of sadness or apathy and promotes a cheerful, positive atmosphere. Dealing with mental fatigue or need laser focus, lemon helps cut through brain fog. Try these blends. Focus Zone, 3 drops of lemon plus 3 drops of peppermint. Calm and Collected, 3 drops of lemon plus 2 drops of lavender. Uplifting and Grounding, 3 drops of lemon, 2 drops of frankincense. And here's a quick hack. Before a big meeting or study session, put a drop in the palm of your hands, rub your hands together, cup gently over your nose, avoiding your eyes, and inhale deeply for 30 seconds. Instant mental refresh. But lemon's magic isn't just for the air, it's a secret weapon for a naturally sparkling home. Let's talk cleaning. Tired of toxic fumes and sticky residues? Lemon oil is your non-toxic superhero. That stubborn sticker goo? Gone. Greasy kitchen messes? Limonene acts as a natural solvent, dissolving grease effortlessly. It also helps keep surfaces feeling and smelling incredibly clean and purified. Level up your natural cleaning with this DIY all-purpose spray. You'll want to use a glass bottle, 1 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 15 to 20 drops of lemon. It's perfect for counters, sinks, and tables, and always spot test for colored surfaces. For microwave refresh, add 5 drops of lemon to a bowl of water, microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, let it sit for 5 minutes, then easily wipe away grime. Garbage disposal and dishwashers, add 3 to 5 drops down the disposal or in the dishwasher before running for a fresh scent. Stainless steel shine, add a few drops to a damp cloth to help clean and shine stainless steel appliances. For a laundry boost, add a few drops to wool dryer balls for a naturally fresh smelling laundry. It's powerful, versatile, and smells incredible. Now we've cleaned the house. Let's explore how to safely use lemon's benefits directly on your body. Want to wear that bright, happy scent, or target specific areas, topical application is great. But rule number 1, dilute. Lemon oil is potent. Mix it with a carrier oil like doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil, which is light and absorbs easily, or others like jojoba or almond oil before it touches your skin. A good starting point for adults is 1 to 2 drops of lemon per teaspoon or 10 to 20 drops in a 10 milliliter roller bottle topped with your favorite carrier oil. Where to apply this diluted oil? Apply to your pulse points, your wrists, your neck for that uplifting aroma all day, temples and the back of your neck, carefully avoiding eyes for focused support, bottoms of your feet, great absorption point, less sensitivity risk, abdomen, gently massage clockwise to support digestive comfort, chest to support feelings of clear, easy breathing. Now, the absolute most important topical rule: photosensitivity. Imagine applying diluted lemon to your hands, then spending the afternoon gardening. You could end up with painful redness and burns where the oil was. Far worse than a typical sunburn. Lemon oil makes your skin hypersensitive to UV light for at least 12 hours. Protect yourself. Apply only to skin covered by clothing. Use it in the evening or skip topical use entirely if you'll be in the sun or tanning bed. Always patch test on a small area first. Mastering topical safety is key. Now let's address the often debated topic: internal use. Can you ingest lemon essential oil? With this specific doTERRA CPTG lemon oil, tested rigorously for purity and potency and clearly labeled for internal use, yes, this opens up another layer of benefits internally. Lemon oil is renowned for supporting healthy digestion function. Think comfort and efficiency. It aids your body's natural detoxification pathways and cleansing processes, helping you feel refreshed from the inside out. It also supports a healthy immune response and contributes to cellular health. Remember, these benefits are tied directly to verified purity. Here's some simple internal uses. Morning water, 1 to 2 drops in glass or stainless steel bottle, never plastic. Veggie cap, you can put 1 to 2 drops if you prefer not to taste it. For a flavor boost, add a drop. It's potent to salad dressings, marinades, or even plain yogurt for a bright flavor kick. Always use glass containers for mixing, storing, and trust but verify. Check the code on your bottle at sourcetoyou.com. See the test yourself. Okay, we know it works, but why? Let's peek at the science. What makes lemon oil such a multitasker? It's all about its natural chemistry. The star player is limonene, making up a large percentage of the oil. This compound is heavily researched for its uplifting effects on mood, its powerful surface cleansing abilities, and its role in supporting internal cleansing processes. Lemon also contains beta-pinene, often found in conifer trees, which adds its surface purifying properties and contributes to that fresh, clean aroma. Understanding these key components help us appreciate why lemon is so effective across so many applications. Now let's clear up some common confusion. Let's tackle some common questions. Myth: lemon essential oil is acidic, like lemon juice, and bad for your teeth enamel. The fact is, it's not. While both come from lemons, the oil is cold pressed from the peel and has a different chemical makeup. It lacks the high citric acid content of the juice, making it much gentler when added to water. In glass, not plastic. Myth: you can use any brand of lemon oil internally if it says 100% pure. Absolutely not. Pure isn't a regulated term. Only ingest specifically tested and verified safe for internal consumption like doTERRA's CPTG line, and follow label directions. Your safety is paramount. Myth: lemon oil will bleach countertops or fabrics. Generally, no, pure lemon essential oil doesn't typically act as a bleach. However, because it's great at dissolving oils and residues, always spot test on an area of colored fabrics or porous surfaces just to be safe. We covered photosensitivity, but let's reinforce it. Applying lemon even diluted to your neck, then going for a sunny walk, risky. Plan your topical use around sun exposure. Also, remember basic essential oil safety. Keep your lemon oil tightly capped in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and heat. This preserves its potency and prevents degradation. Sensitivity, while generally well tolerated when diluted, some individuals might have sensitive skin. Always dilute, always patch test, and if irritation occurs, apply more carrier oil, not water, and discontinue use. Store essential oils out of reach of children and pets. Wondering how lemon fits into real life? Imagine this. Start your day with lemon water for gentle cleansing support. Diffuse it with peppermint while you work for focus. Wipe down kitchen spills quickly after lunch. Beat the 3 p.m. slump with a quick palm inhalation. Diffuse it with lavender in the evening to create a relaxing, fresh atmosphere before bed. See? Tiny drops, big impact, seamlessly integrated throughout your day. Wow, we've covered a lot, from its ethical co-impact sourcing roots in Sicily to its incredible power to uplift your mood, naturally clean your home, support your focus and digestion, and promote overall wellness. Lemon essential oil is truly one of nature's most versatile and valuable gifts. Choosing doTERRA CPTG Lemon means you're getting unparalleled purity and potency, and you're contributing to a global community upliftment project. It's wellness with purpose. Feeling ready and excited to make lemon oil a bigger part of your life? Want those easy, practical recipes right at your fingertips? Then don't miss out on my free guide, 10 simple essential oil recipes for everyday wellness. Click it now in the description below, download your free guide, and let's get started on this amazing natural wellness journey together. What was the most surprising thing you learned about lemon oil today? Or share your favorite way to use lemon in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. If this deep dive was valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Stay well, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.